Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Super excited, everyone, to announce that the first ever PII social event is happening on August 7th this year in downtown Toronto, right in the financial district. How fitting. Guys, we're super excited. Eric and I have been working nonstop in the last couple of weeks here to organize everything, get the sponsors lined up, and we're very excited that we're almost at the finish line. So I'm officially announcing that it is happening. The first ever PII, exclusive PII event for PIIers is going to happen August 7th, which is literally one day, by the way, before the Blossom event on August 8th. So Brandon just announced that the August 8th Toronto event for Blossom is going to happen at the Rogers Center. So it's going to be massive. Our event is going to be one day before. So we actually coordinated to have it at the same time because we want to be there too at the Blossom event as well. So in case people are traveling or whatever to Toronto, you could actually attend both events if you want to. But ours is going to be exclusive PII event happening on August 7th. It's going to happen at the Design Exchange Events venue. It's actually a pretty historic building. There's a lot of history behind it. So it's going to be in the gallery section. So they have a big trading floor room. We figured that for the first event, we don't have a lot of experience. We want to gain our experience. We're going to make it very exclusive. We're going to make it only 100 people. So only 100 tickets are going to be available, everyone. It's going to be in the gallery. It's a super nice space. It's going to have food stations. It's going to have open bar. Let me repeat. Open bar, everyone. It's really going to be a PII celebration, but there's also going to be some education there. So what we wanted to do is not really make it kind of a marketing event with booths and stuff, you know, like the Blossom events. We really wanted to make it more like a PII celebration. But you could probably have guessed, there's going to be a lot of sponsors there. And Eric and I worked hard to get really the top sponsors that we want there, the top covered call ETF fund managers in Canada, guys. So it's going to be really cool because the lead sponsors are going to be Hamilton ETFs, of course, Harvest ETFs. They're going to be there as well. Global X Canada as well. So they're going to be there. They're going to be the lead sponsors. We're going to have panels as well. We're going to have more personal panels. You know, I don't want to really ask them about the cover call strategies and stuff like that. We kind of do that already on the channel. This is going to be a little bit more intimate, a little bit more personal. It's going to be awesome, guys, to really connect with them. They're going to be there. You'll be able to mingle with them, ask them questions, provide feedback. We want this to be a win-win for everyone. Not only our sponsors to get good ideas and feedback, but for you as well to ask the people who are actually managing these ETFs, whatever you want. That's the whole point. So very exciting stuff here. Hamilton, Harvest, Global X are going to be the lead sponsors, but you know who else is going to be there? Who else is going to be there as well? It's 9 Point's going to be there, guys. Brompton is going to be there. BMO ETFs is going to be there to really talk a little bit about their .T ETF. So, and there's probably going to be more. These are 6 sponsors that have already agreed to be there in person. It's going to be awesome. They're going to be covering the event. Obviously, we've also hired video and AV. Everything's going to be recorded. It's going to be a great fun night. We're going to have fun. We're going to have some panels with a lot of these sponsors. So Eric and I, of course, will be your host. I will be hosting the panels. It's going to be super fun. We're extremely excited about it. And we decided to go a little bit small, a little bit more intimate for the first one. 100 tickets are going to be sold. There's probably going to be about 120, 130 people. And by the way, on top, I'm very excited here. I got to calm down a bit. Let me calm down. Okay. On top of the sponsors, you know who else is going to be there? Some of the lead top income influencers in Canada. Jordan is going to be there. Perry is going to be there. Paul is also going to be there from Better Call Paul. And maybe others as well. So it's going to be absolutely amazing. I'm literally inviting everyone, guys. And it's going to be very exclusive. Again, at the Design Exchange, August 7th. Tickets, okay, so how do you book your ticket? Here's the thing. So we have over 1,700 PII Inner Circle members. These are people that support me more, that have been with me for a long time, that spare those extra couple of dollars every single month to support the channel. So those 100 tickets are going to go on sale exclusively for the Inner Circle members first. And since we have 1,700, our expectation is that the 100 tickets are going to sell out really quick just within the PII Inner Circle members, but possibly not. I'm not sure. So if you're interested in even having a chance to get a ticket, guys, you have to be an Inner Circle member. How to do that? It's very, very easy. Just click on any one of my videos and click on the name of my channel. You will be directed here. Well, that's to actually buy the ticket. To become an Inner Circle member, you have to click on the little join button where the subscribe normally is, and you'll be able to join there. But when you are a PII Inner Circle member, once you pay for your membership, where is the link? Where are the tickets going to go on sale? They're going to go on sale via a post that I'm going to do. That's only going to be visible for Inner Circle members. So you click on the name of my channel when you are a member, of course. You could click on post. You could click on membership. Once you click on posts, you see some are members only. So that is where I will post the link to buy the tickets. There's only going to be 100. This is very, very exclusive. So that is where the tickets are going to go on sale very, very soon. The post is going to go live very, very, very soon. So make sure you become a member and you turn on notifications so you could purchase your ticket. Now, once you see the price of the ticket, which we're still thinking about, but most likely it's not going to be that high. The first thing you're going to say, food, open bar, why is the ticket so cheap? Well, that's because the sponsors have been very, very generous and gracious, supporting us for years now, and they're going to be supporting this event financially, of course. They're taking care of everything. So that is why the price is, let's just say, very subsidized. So guys, I hope to see you there. It's going to be an amazing night. If this is successful, again, August 7th at the Design Exchange, downtown Toronto. If this is successful, this is amazing. Next year, we'll probably do it 2 to 3 times bigger in the main room because, they actually have two areas. They have the trading floor. It used to be a trading floor. This is massive, massive area. We're going to be doing it in the gallery section here. But if this is successful next year, we'll probably do 200, 300 people or something like that if it goes well. So super, super exciting stuff here. Make sure to become a member to grab your ticket and stay tuned for that post. You want to get your ticket as soon as possible. And again, it is going to be one day before the big BlossomCon Toronto event, which Eric and I will be there as well. I know for a fact Perry and Jordan are going to be there as well. Better Call Paul is going to be there as well, Paul Santori. So it's going to be a banger, guys. It's going to be amazing. Really looking forward to seeing you all there. It's going to be a super, super fun night. If you're a PII or if you're all in on PII, you're not going to want to miss this. So we'll see you there soon.